Hello, day 21, 40 days Kellen talking English. You see, now I have finished my work. Okay, check the glass. Okay, I wear this to prevent the windy come to my neck. Yeah, it make me cough, so we need more and more carefully keep your health healthy. Okay, you can see this is I am at the industrial zone. Yeah, the people, the employees, they coming home, they go home. Also we have the same maybe the same time go out. Yes. Okay, I have take videos in my in the washroom at the company. I will show you about the paper, the tissue. Okay, thank you.
Mirror, sink, and faucets. The bottle black. Wash your hand in the dry. Use to wash the glass, the bowl like this. And when I open the wardrobe, you can see some liquid for cleaning the towel, some paper tissues, yeah, for cleaning the floor and the glass. And there is a handkerchief towels. Use this after you wash your hand, and you put it in the trash in the bin.